Hey guys, I'm in the mood for some popcorn right now, and I'm going to show you how to make my famous cracked corn using nothing other than my gunpowder spice, a little bit of brown sugar, a little bit of bacon grease, and popcorn. That's it. This is going to be the most addictive snack that you've ever stuffed in your face. This is exactly how I'm going to do it. So in my pot, I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil and get that screaming hot before I put in my kernels. Here we go. That's about 2 tablespoons right there. Just enough to coat the bottom of the pot. There it is. 1 thin layer. Okay, I'm gonna put the lid back on. That way it traps all the heat in. All right, so I've got ½ a cup of unpopped popcorn kernels, and it's going right into my pot. You can hear it start to sizzle. And what's going to happen is the little bit of water that's trapped inside those dry popcorn kernels is what's going to cause it to explode and erupt and give us a light, fluffy popcorn that we love so much. So I'm going to give the pot a real quick shake. That way all of the kernels are coated in oil. Now we're just going to wait for it to start popping. Acting quickly, I'm going to get about 2 healthy tablespoons of bacon grease. Yes, you said it right. And if you don't have bacon grease, just go onto your neighbor's house, especially if you're in the South, because everybody got the bacon grease in the fridge. Come on. So I got about 2 healthy tablespoons, and that's about it right here. While this is warming up, give it one more shake. This is going to go in the microwave to melt down. 45 seconds on to do it. All right. So to hold the lid down and keep myself from getting burned, I'm going to get a towel and just kind of fold the ends over, so that way I'm sealing the lid while I shake the popcorn. It's already starting to pop. Once it starts to get a rapid pop, you're going to turn the heat down to medium-high and constantly shake it until all of the kernels have popped. Now when the popping stops, about 3 or 4 seconds in between the last pop and the next one, it's done. You can wait. And if you have little kids, they love doing that. Just let the popcorn fly. Let the kids chase it. That's what Grandpa used to do with us all the time. Now it's done. Nope. Nope. Okay, I think by the 3rd microwave chime, we're probably good. So you're gonna have a few unpopped seeds, no big deal. If you use the microwave stuff, you're still gonna have unpopped kernels. All right, killing the heat all the way off. Let's go get our bacon grease. Bacon grease is coming out. There are a few little solid pieces in there, but that's no big deal. Popcorn is still very hot, and that'll help to melt the rest of it. So look at that fluffy popcorn. It's pretty nice, isn't it? All right. So what we're going to do now is drizzle all of this liquid gold all over the popcorn kernels, just like that. And that bowl is pretty damn warm. Okay, I'm gonna get a great big mixing spoon and just mix it to toss and get as much of that grease coating on every kernel that we possibly can. And this is gonna help our seasonings, our flavorings stick to the popcorn. It's gonna make it so addictive. Okay, so to this popcorn, I want to add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. And this is a ½ tablespoon measuring spoon, so I want 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, just like this. And I want 1½ tablespoons of my gunpowder seasoning. This is the magic. You're gonna have that smoky from the bacon, the sweet from the brown sugar, and the spicy from this gunpowder. There we go. And if you want it spicier, put more gunpowder. If you don't want it quite as spicy, take off about ½ a tablespoon. big mixing spoon. Mix it all together. I promise you, whoever you serve this to, they're not going to be able to get enough of this. I had house guests at Easter time. They went on a road trip, and I swear I was making 2 buckets a day for them while they were here. It gets a little tricky with the spoon, but that's what the lid is for. Not quite done yet. Toss it all together. There you go. Keisha's cracked corn. It's pretty damn amazing. Look at that. Oh, good God. It's light, it's fluffy, it's sweet, and it's smoky, a little salty and spicy. This is the perfect snack for movie night, for road trips, just for whatever. If you're craving something a little savory, a little sweet, not exactly sure what flavor you want, this has got it all. So check me out. If you want to try our gunpowder seasoning, go ahead and hit me up. I've got plenty of it. I'm happy to share with you. Bacon grease, brown sugar, popcorn. Life is simple and so delicious. Okay guys, this is Keisha checking out Kitchen Bravo. Catch you next time. Okay.